Welcome students. In this session, in this video, you will learn to import a PDF file. A PDF file which is necessarily a homework file posted in LMS which you have downloaded from the LMS and saved in a location in your system. That file is imported from the location of your system onto the open board because it is a problem on practical geometry. You need to construct geometrical shapes using the various geometrical tools like ruler, compass, protractor, which is offered by the open board. So you will have to import the PDF file onto the open board. That is what import. And then you work with the tools offered in the Office open board. After that, you want to save it as a PDF file in a preferred location in your system, and that is called export. Exporting means the open board file, the edited open board file saved in the form of a PDF file in a preferred location in the system. That is what it is. So I'll first tell you, this is, here you can see I have 3 files downloaded from LMS. I am taking this one file, homework 2 on practical geometry. So this file is a PDF file I have downloaded from LMS, and I will have to bring it to open board to work with the tools offered by open board. So that is what importing. So I will do it. How to do it I will show you. I open the, now you can see the open board is open. Okay, this is how it shows up. There is an option called documents here. Okay, this is already known to you, I don't need to say you. And there is also another document. When I click this document icon, the structure of my document, the folders and the files that are shown here, as you can see here, these are the file structure of open board. There are 3 folders under this. The first folder is grade 6th presentations, second folder is grade 7th presentations, third folder is grade 8th presentations. Okay, so these are the various folders. There is a single file also, grade 8th practical geometry. Okay, I am going to open that. I am going to download one, import one file into grade 6th presentations. So what I will do, I will first open grade 6th here like this. I will click grade 6 and keep it highlighted. I have selected this one. Now I want to open a board under this folder grade 6. Actually this folder 6 has some files already. To know that, I can just click this icon so I can see the files that are stored there. Once I click it, I can see these are the files that are stored already in that. Homework 2, I have already done it. Anyway, I will again show it to you how it is done. Okay. So I am just clicking the import icon. You can see here the import icon is here. Import and export icons are there. I will have to press this import icon to bring the PDF file from my system onto the clipboard. So this is what I am going to click now. I am clicking it. So a dialog box opens and it suggests me to which file to open. It is asking me as which file to open. So this is the button to open the file. Okay, these are the folders. This is the location in my system. Okay, this is the location in my system. 14th, it is in grade 6th folder, 14th chapter practical geometry, under that year 2021. Okay, and these are the 3 files in that. I will have to choose one of these files. I mean the file which I want to work. Suppose I want to work with homework 2, so I will be selecting this one, and after that I will be pressing open. So once I do that, I will get the file there. So I will go back to normal mode. I have selected this file and then I am clicking opening this. So it is already is asking practical to geometry is already there. It is giving a message like the name homework 2 on practical geometry is already used. Keeping this name will replace the document. Providing a new name will create the. So if I am keeping the same name, it will replace. So I am just going to say replace. Same thing I am going to. So the file is now occurring. It is highlighted also. You can see it. This is the file just now downloaded from PDF. It is now on here. These are the pages on that. These are the pages under this file. Various pages under the file. Okay. So this file is highlighted. These are the pages. Now I can go to the file and work with that. I can open the first page. Double clicking that, the first page has come. I worked with the tools here, and after that I am going to the second page by clicking the next option, this one, next page. To go to the next page, I will have to click this one. Okay, so I will go to the next page. I click this one, I go to the next page. So here also I can click and open it. I have worked with that. Third page, I am clicking and working with that, and fourth page I have worked with this also. Fifth page I have worked with this also. I have done all the geometrical constructions. Now this file needs to be saved into PDF form in a location in my system. So for that I will use the option export. So here I just have to press documents again. The documents folder, once I pressed it, the file is there, all the worked out things are there. Now I can export this. You can see here, this is the file I was working with. Okay, this was the file. These are the pages there. I have to export it. Okay, so what I will do, I will choose the export option here. This is the export option. So I will use this option to convert this file into PDF form in a location in my system. So I am clicking it. On clicking it, there are three options coming. I will just zoom it and show it to you. These are the three options here. Okay. Under this I will choose the export PDF option only. This is what I did. Okay, export to open board format, which may not be supported by our system. We may not be having, but we will have it in the export to PDF form. It will be there. Okay, we can also keep it in export to open board format also, but we opt for PDF file because I have asked you to submit the files in LMS in PDF format. So you will choose this format. So once I choose that export, choose this file. Yeah, it is now ready. So you can see it. I will zoom it and show it to you. See here, now it is asking. This is the folder where it suggests us to save, and this is the name of the file. Okay, it asked me to save, and this is the to save. So I can change a name also. Okay, I can change the place where I want to keep. Okay, and then I will press save. So once I press, the file will be stored there. This is the way I export the file in the form of PDF into my system. So thank you.